Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive deep into a powerful morning routine that could revolutionize your health and help you achieve that flat stomach you've been dreaming of. I'm excited to share with you what I call the power trifecta, a simple yet incredibly effective drink that you'll consume on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Now, you might be skeptical about how a simple drink can make such a big difference, but I challenge you to put it to the test for just 7 days. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this trifecta is so powerful and how it can transform your mornings and your overall health. Let's start with the first component of our trifecta: warm water. It might seem basic, but don't underestimate its power. Drinking warm water first thing in the morning serves multiple purposes. It stimulates digestion, helping to kickstart your metabolism. Scientific studies have shown that drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolic rate by up to 30%. This effect is even more pronounced when the water is warm, as it requires your body to expend energy to bring it to body temperature. Warm water encourages bowel movements, promoting regularity. This is because the warmth can help stimulate peristalsis, the contractions that move food through your digestive tract. It awakens your nervous system, preparing your body for proper digestion throughout the day. The temperature change when you drink warm water can stimulate your peripheral nervous system, helping to wake up your body and mind. Hydration after hours of sleep helps flush out toxins and rehydrate your body. During sleep, your body goes through various repair processes that produce waste products. Water helps your kidneys filter these toxins more effectively. The second part of our trifecta is lemon juice. Lemons are packed with benefits that make them a crucial part of this morning ritual. They're rich in enzymes and vitamin C, which help purify your body and boost your immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help neutralize free radicals in your body. Lemon juice aids in cleansing both your blood and gastrointestinal system. The citric acid in lemons can help stimulate the liver and aid in detoxification processes. It acts as a natural, gentle diuretic and laxative. This can help relieve bloating and constipation, contributing to a flatter stomach. If you're dealing with bloating or fluid retention, lemon juice can help your body excrete excess fluids. The potassium in lemons helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can reduce fluid retention. The final component of our power trifecta is apple cider vinegar. This ingredient is a powerhouse of benefits. It aids in the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which can quickly alleviate gas and pain. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can increase the acidity of your stomach, helping to break down food more effectively. By increasing stomach acidity, it allows enzymes to work more efficiently in breaking down proteins. This can lead to improved nutrient absorption and less digestive discomfort. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and decrease insulin levels. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that consuming apple cider vinegar with a high-carb meal significantly reduced blood sugar levels. It can improve and speed up your metabolism, aiding in fat burning. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce fat storage and increase fat burning, particularly in the abdominal area. Many people report that it helps suppress appetite, which can be beneficial for weight management. Some studies suggest that acetic acid may target the centers in your brain that regulate appetite, potentially leading to reduced food intake. What makes this trifecta truly powerful is the synergistic effect of combining these three ingredients. When consumed together on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, they create a potent mix that kickstarts your metabolism for the day, promotes efficient digestion, supports your body's natural detoxification processes, helps balance blood sugar levels, may contribute to reduced bloating and a flatter stomach. The combination of these ingredients works together to create a more powerful effect than any one ingredient alone. For example, the vitamin C in lemon juice can enhance the absorption of certain compounds in the apple cider vinegar, while the warm water helps distribute these beneficial ingredients throughout your digestive system more quickly. Recipe and preparation. Now, let's get into the specifics of how to prepare this powerful morning drink. You'll need 2 cups of warm water, not hot, just comfortably warm. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh is best for maximum enzyme content, but bottled works too. Just ensure there's no added sugar. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's the kind with the mother, For maximum benefits, simply mix these ingredients together in a glass and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's that simple. I challenge you to try this power trifecta drink every morning for 7 days. Here's what you might experience: increased energy levels throughout the day, improved digestion and reduced bloating, a healthier, more radiant complexion, potential weight loss, especially around the midsection, better hydration, and improved overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a part of your morning routine for the full 7 days to really see and feel the difference. Tips for success: prepare your ingredients the night before to make your morning routine easier. If the taste is too strong at first, you can start with less lemon juice and apple cider vinegar and gradually increase to the full amounts. Don't eat anything for at least 30 minutes after drinking the trifecta to allow it to work its magic. Stay hydrated throughout the day by continuing to drink water. There you have it, the power trifecta drink that could be the game changer in your health and wellness journey. Remember, this isn't just about achieving a flat stomach. It's about improving your overall health from the inside out. I'd love to hear about your experiences with this challenge. Please leave a comment below sharing your results or any questions you might have. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and vitality. Until next time, take care and make it a great day.